Everyone dreams of success, the perfect life, financial freedom, the best job. But the brutal truth is that none of that happens unless you master this one word, studying. So, what separates the exceptional students from the mediocre ones? Is it resources? Is it intelligence? Is it luck? No. It's that strategy. I know you want to study hard, but you already know that you're hardly studying effectively. So here are 13 things that will transform the way you study and dominate any exam while still maintaining your life balance. Now that's exactly how you will feel once your study game elevates to that level. Most people don't struggle with time. They struggle with energy and focus. They don't know how to organize their day. They don't know when to take breaks. And most importantly, they get super frustrated when they don't see results immediately. Now let's break it down. With 24 hours in hand, 8 goes in sleeping. There's 1 hour to exercise, 8 in school, possibly including travel, 1 hour for eating, and 1 hour for a hobby. Now that leaves us with a good solid 5 hours. And believe me, if you're using them right, it's more than enough. Hi, I'm Pooja Salapatra and I've conquered 2 major public exams, AIEEE and CAT, and countless others along the way. I'm not just sharing theories, I'm sharing exactly what worked for me and I'm very sure they'll work for you as well. The first one is non-negotiable. Get 8 hours of sleep. Do not compromise on this. Why? When you skimp on sleep, you'll feel groggy, rely on unhealthy caffeine, lose concentration, and your stress hormones will rocket. I mean, you want to be a top performer, not a zombie walking around, right? On to the second point. You know why most people can't even focus for 1 hour? It's because they waste mental energy on unnecessary decisions. Make a super detailed timetable even if it feels ridiculous. The fewer decisions you make daily, the more brain power you actually reserve for studying. This isn't just nice to have, it's essential for peak performance. The third point is something that most grinding advice misses. Do you really think studying for 4-5 hours straight makes you a hero? Definitely not. You need to take power naps. Slot 15 minutes of power naps after every topic or a session that you plan on studying. This isn't laziness, it is truly strategic. These short breaks really help you form long-term memories and refresh your mind for the next challenge. Fourth, break the monotony. Did you ever notice how some subjects just completely drain you? For some of us, history feels like torture. And for the rest, math can be an enemy. When something feels too tough, don't force it. Just head out for a walk. Your brain needs that reset. The fifth point is that mix and match subjects. Doing one particular subject or topic can be really overwhelming. The top performers don't study one subject for hours on end. They strategically alternate between different subjects or topics to keep their brain engaged. The sixth one might be uncomfortable to hear. Remove all your distractions. There's social media, OTT, television, social circle, friends, family. The distraction list goes on and on. Just identify a distraction that you have to put away and eliminate them. Are you constantly doom scrolling on Instagram? Just take your phone and lock it in a drawer for at least an hour. Yes, I'm afraid you will feel withdrawal symptoms, uneasiness, you'll get jittery, but push through for at least a week and you'll get there. This helps on the toughest of days. Just visualize your goal and your life once you're done with this long marathon. Think of your goals just before you begin. Sometimes the long journey of education really gets to us. It's a minimum of 21-22 years, and if you decide to do masters, it further gets extended. Remember that the next 50 years of your life are going to be superb because of just these few years of discipline. That really helps. I loved to munch on something while studying, and that eventually led to a lot of weight gain for me. But now looking back, I think something to sip which does not have calories like ginger water, jeera tea, any sort of drink without calories would really keep you going and energetic for your study period. It keeps you alert without the calories. Test yourself regularly. Create your own tests to check for progress. Whether you ace it or fail it, you'll get motivated either way. Without testing, you're just assuming that you know the material. Don't just blindly memorize. As adults, if you ask us any history or geography questions, we may not be able to answer. But if you ask us maths about how to calculate percentage or any other maths topic, most of us should be able to answer. That's because it was about logic and understanding the concept. So make sure that you don't just memorize. Devise a reward system for yourself. Work and no play makes Jack a dull boy or Jacqueline a dull girl. For all the hard work that you put in, reward yourself with whatever you love. Go for ice cream, play a sport, take a trip, anything that you genuinely enjoy. And finally, this saved me in college and it will save you too. Study any topic at least 3 times. First, just introduce yourself to the material, browse through it, understand at a top level what it's trying to say. Don't put yourself under pressure to understand everything. But this should be before the lesson is actually taught in class. This is game changing because during the lesson you get to understand better. You can ask questions in which you have doubts because you've already gone through the lesson before. You can ask all the clarifying questions so that once the lesson is over, you'll understand it 100%. The third pass will be when you test yourself and solve problems on your own. So just to summarize everything, the key to great studying isn't grinding mindlessly. It's strategic learning combined with proper rest and rewards. And it's much easier to excel when you approach studying like a game rather than a chore. I truly hope and trust these practical tips were helpful. If you found value here, check out my other videos that you might like. See you soon.